Okay, today we're going to reset the taps on my 2001 Silverado with using the tech2. Enter diagnostics 2001 light truck powertrain diesel 5-speed special functions transmission output controls. Okay, here we are. How do you reset the taps? Select reset all tap cells and then hit reset right here. You can see reset flash for a second. I've already been through this, so it's not changing anything. Anyway, exit out of here. Go down to all the garage shifts. That's park to drive, park to neutral, whatever. And then select this. Now you just hit reset. You can see the reset right up here. I already did it. I'll do it again so you can see it. It just takes a second. Done. Okay, that's it.